What is the difference between public, protected, package private, and private in Java? This follows the same teaching style as your earlier Java and Spring Boot topics. Introduction. In Java, access modifiers control who can access classes, methods, variables, and constructors. The four main access levels are public, protected, package private, default access, private. A very common beginner question is, what is the difference between these access modifiers in Java? Understanding this is extremely important because access modifiers are used everywhere in Java. Classes, methods, variables, constructors, frameworks like Spring Boot. This topic helps learners understand what access modifiers are, how visibility works, differences between modifiers, inheritance behavior, real-world examples, best practices. This is one of the most important core Java concepts. What are access modifiers? Access modifiers define where something can be accessed from. In simple terms, access modifier equals visibility control. Example concept. Public means everyone can access. Private means only inside same class. The four access levels. Modifier same class, same package, subclass, anywhere. Public, yes, 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 yes. Protected, yes, 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 no. Package private, yes, yes, no, no. Private, yes, no, no, no. Public means accessible from anywhere. Example public class user service. Public void save user. System.println saving user. Accessible from. Same class, same package. Subclasses completely different packages. Example concept. Any class in project means can access public members. Common use cases. REST controllers, service methods, APIs, library methods. 2. Private. Private means accessible only inside the same class. Example public class user. Private string password. Accessibility. Accessible only from same class. Not accessible from subclasses, same package, other classes. Example concept. Only user class can access password. Why use private? To protect internal data. This is part of encapsulation. Example with getter, setter, private string name. Public string, get name, return name. Example concept. Hide field means controlled access through methods. Free. Package private. Default access. What is package private? If no modifier is specified. Class user service. Or void process. Then access is package private. Default access. Accessibility. Accessible only within. Same package. Not accessible from. Other packages subclasses in different packages. Example, concept classes inside same package means can access. Outside package means cannot access. Example class, payment service. Void process payment. System.out.println, processing. Common use cases, internal helper classes, package scoped utilities, restricting API exposure. 4. Protected. Protected means accessible within same package and by subclasses. Example public class animal. Protected void make sound. System.out.println, animal sound. ASS, subclass example. Public class dog, extends animal. Public void bark, make sound. Dot, accessibility. Accessible from. Same class, same package, subclasses. Not accessible from unrelated external classes. Example concept inheritance allowed means unrelated classes blocked. Visual understanding example packages. com.example.a, com.example.b, public. Accessible everywhere. Private. Accessible only inside same class. Package, private. Accessible only inside. Example A, protected. Accessible inside. Same package subclasses, even in other packages. Example full class, public class user. Public string, public field, equals public. Protected string, protected field, equals protected. String default field equals package private. Private string, private field is private. Real-world analogy modifier analogy, public, public park, protected, family members only, package private, office employees only, private, personal bedroom. Why access modifiers matter? They help with encapsulation, security, maintainability, API design, preventing misuse. Example concept. Restrict access means safer code. Important Java rule. Top-level classes can only be public, package, private. Not top. Private protected, common beginner mistakes. 1. Making everything public leads to poor encapsulation. 2. Forgetting default access exists. No modifier equals public. 3. Confusing protected with package private. Protected supports inheritance. 4. Accessing private fields directly. Must use methods, getters. 5. Using protected unnecessarily. Can expose too much. Best practice. Best practices include use private by default. Expose only necessary methods as public. Use protected carefully for inheritance. Use package private for internal package APIs. Example concept. Least access necessary means cleaner design. Advantages of proper access control. Safer code, better encapsulation, easier maintenance, fewer bugs, cleaner architecture. Challenges understanding package behavior. Inheritance confusion. Designing correct visibility. Balancing flexibility and safety. Concepts learned in this topic. Key: what access modifiers are. Difference between all 4 modifiers. Package visibility rules. Inheritance behavior. Encapsulation concepts. Simple definition. Java access modifiers. Keywords that control where classes, methods, and variables can be accessed from. Final summary. Java has 4 main access levels. Modifier access scope. Public everywhere. Protected same package plus subclasses. Package private same package only. Private same class only. Key idea. Access modifiers control visibility and help build secure, maintainable, and encapsulated Java applications. Once you understand these modifiers, Java class design becomes much clearer and more professional.